Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the Salon inventory management system using Java and MySQL. Let's go to the lesson. I already opened the NetBeans ID here. First go to the file, new project, select Java application, click next. If it is checked create main class, we have to uncheck it. Here you have to write the project name properly here. You have to write here is Salon. You have to write here as this one, right? Salon, the Salon inventory management system, inventory. Okay, right. Okay, this is the project name, right? Right. Click finish. Right. Now your project has been created successfully. Salon inventory. Now here what I am going to do is here. There will be the two folders available, source package and libraries. First you have to select the source package. Inside there the default package is there. I am going to create the new package, right? So select the package, right click, new Java package. Here I am going to create as this one as Salon. Finish. Right. Now your new package has been created successfully. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to create the form. So select this one, right click, new JFrame form. Here we have to give as Salon. Click finish. Right. Right. Your form has been created successfully. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to increase the size of the form little bit, look like this. Right. You have to increase the form look like this. Now what I am going to do is here first I am going to drag one panel on the form. Right. You drag one panel on the form like this. Right. Perfect. Now here first what I am going to select this one, right click, properties, background color. I am going to change whatever color you need. I just change the color like this. Look, I am going to change the color as this one. Okay, so right. I am going to change the color like this. Right. Okay, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to create the heading. So first what I am going to do is go to the palette, drag one label on here. This one, right click, edit text. We have to write Salon. This one should be the Salon inventory. Right here, right. Control C copy. This one should be to paste here. Inventory system. Right. Okay. Now we have to select this one. Right click, properties, font. We have to click on this one. With bold, we have to increase size as 36. Click OK. 36. So you have to 24. It's enough. Right. Perfect. Okay. Right. Perfect. This one. Right. Now here, if you want to increase the font a little bit, you can increase as 30. Click OK. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is select this one. Properties. We have to change the font color as yellow. Click OK, close it. Right. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here select this form, right click, properties. We have to go to the code, generate center, close it. Now if you run the application, you can check how it's run. Right, it is running at the center, right? It's running at the center, simple, right? Now what I am going to do is after I am going to drag one panel. So go to the palette, drag one panel on the form. You have to increase the size of this one, right? Select this panel, properties, border. We have to select the border as this soft bevel border. This one we have to close it, right? Now here what I am going to do, so we have to drag the check boxes, right? Check boxes we need only 6 check boxes we needed. So we have to drag check boxes. Right. Here first what I am going to do is here we have to do the stuff is right. First what I am select this checkbox one, right click, edit text. First we have to do this one, right? We wrote this one also stuff, cut and blow dry. Control C to copy. I have okay, edit text, Control V to paste, right? Okay, you have to write this one. Okay, if I write this one, we have to take too much of time, so that I just copy and paste it. Okay, it's lazy stuff. Second time, Control C to copy this one, edit text, Control V to paste here. After this one, right click, edit text, simply go here. Yeah, coloring, Control C to copy, right click, edit text, Control V to paste here. Simple this one also, edit text, back this one, facial, Control C to copy, right click, edit text, Control V to paste here. After that, this one also we have to go here, save, Control C to copy, this one, Control V to paste here. After this one also Control C to copy, select this one, edit text, Control V to paste here, right? Simple, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, right? Now here what I am going to do is, after that what I am going to do is simply these are the packages available in the Salon. If you want to increase the size of that, select all, select this one and hold on the control key down and select all the stuff, look like this, right? After that, right click, properties, font property we have to select as width bold 12, click OK, perfect, right? This is perfect, right? Now what I am going to do is, after that simply we have to drag the this one J table, right? So go to the palette, drag one J table. So okay, this is J table and drag in here, right? Perfect, right? Now here what I am going to see, we have to size look like this, right? Perfect, okay, it's done perfectly. Now I need a button, so here we let's decrease the size of this one, look like this, right? Okay, perfect. Now here we need a button, so drag one button here, this one should be the add button, right click, add, right? We need another this one button, right? Okay, perfect, right? Now here we need to, another thing is we drag another panel here, this one we have to make it as a, right? This one we have to, this panel we have to be, this also we have to properties, border we have to set as, right, this one. Okay, now here we have to set the total and everything. So here we have to drag the label here, this one subtotal, drag one text field here, right click, right, okay. After that we need another label here, this one also payment, after that we need another label, this one should be the balance, right? Should be the balance. So here we drag one text field here, that's perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to select these labels, right? Hold on the control key down on, select these 2-3 labels, right click, properties, we have to change this one as a width bold 12, direction, right? Sorry, this one I didn't. Perfect, right? Here if you run and check how it's work, you can check here it's working properly. Now what I am going to do is, we have to do the remaining stuff. So first what I am going to do is, we have to select this table, right click, table contents, columns. First columns I am going to type here is only item type, second one should be the price, that's only. After that price only, right? This is the thing we have to display, right? Finally you have to dot, right, this price, okay, we don't need this stuff, so this is all the stuff I am going to close it, right? So here we have to close this one, we don't need it, this one also we don't need it, we have to remove it, right? Only 2 fields are there, right? Item type and price, right? That's enough, right? that's enough for that. Okay, perfect. Right, now what I'm going to see, after that we have to select this one, this edit text, remove the backspace to remove the existing text, select this text box again, change variable, you have to set as txt sub, same thing, you have to select this payment, this one, change variable, this one txt pay, select this text box, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, this one, select this one, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt bath, we have to change the name properly here, right? This is the important stuff here. The same thing you have to do this here as well, we have to change the names right here, txt, sorry, this is chk, this checkbox chk1, same thing, control C to this copy, control C to copy, this second one chk2, this one chk3. Okay, if you like you can name like this chkar coloring, you can name like this. Okay, you okay, chk4, this one chk5, this one chk6. Okay, perfect. Right, perfect. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, we have to do the remaining stuff is go to the source. First what I'm going to do is here, this is the class name Salon, this is a constructor. After that what I'm going to do is here, we have to create the table model. So we have to write default table model, you have to write model equal new, same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, default table, right, here to check. You have to import the namespace, this one. So after that what I am going to do is here, we have to write the code for the button, right? So this button, okay, if the select this one, relevant price item and price should be displayed on this table, right? So price, all the stuff I am going to do by the code, right? So select the add button, right click, event, action perform, right? Here we have to write, what I am going to write here is, first we have to initialize the variable int sum equal 0. This is a get the final total, right? After that what I am going to see here we have to write if checkbox 1 chk1 dot is selected, right? If this one selected, checkbox 1 selected, what happens is you have to write string this one, yeah, cut this one, right? So you have to write cut, simply you have to write cut equal chk1 dot getText. After that you have to write model equal this one, control C to copy, you have to write the bracket, you have to paste it here, you have to write here j table 1 dot get model, right? After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write here is we have to create another variable int price, right? Here we have to write here is model dot add row new object, you have to write new object, you have to create the new object. Here we have to write here is a open and close bracket, right? We have to create like this, right? Here we have to write a mod, right? Here we have to write first one, what is the what you are, if you select this one, it is appropriate text should be passing to this cut, right? You have to call it here cut variable, you have to pass it here. First one. Second one, price. Here I am going to price, I already create the variable above. You have to done here is, we have to do is price equal, you have to put the price, you have to put 150, right? That's the thing you have to write, simple. Now what I am going to do is here, go here, select this one, this default rows we have to remove it. So go to the table content, rows, default one you have to remove it, select and remove it, right? Close it, right? Now you can check whether it's working fine or not. Click on this one, here it's working, okay, it's working, okay, 50 it's working, right? Fine. Okay, simple inventory, right, it's working fine. Now what I am going to do is simple. After that we have to do another stuff is we have to write another if, not else if, right. We have to select more than one item from this list. So that Control C to copy this if, paste it below. If it is 2, you have to do this here 200. Right. Same thing, you have to Control C to copy this one CHK2. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be save. Yeah, coloring. This one we have to 3. This one we have to 100. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be facial. We have to price. We have to put it as 300. This 4. Checkbox we have to change as 4. Right. Look like this. We have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that, fifth one should be save. Save. You have to change the price as 50. Right. Final one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be 6. This one should be 180. Right. This is how it's working. Right. Okay. Perfect. Now let's check. Select. That here it's working fine. Right. After that we have to calculate the final total subtotal. We have to get it here. So how to get it here is go to the source. We have to write here is simply you have to write the for loop and get the total, right. So you have to write for int I equal 0. After that you have to write another thing is I less than j table 1. This is the name of the j table 1. You can check here j table 1, right. After that what I am going to dot get row count, get row count. Here we have to write I plus plus, right. Now here we have to do this sum. We have already created the sum variable above. Sum equals 0. Get the variable here. Sum equal sum plus. We have to write integer dot parseInt. So we have to write j table 1 dot get value at. Here we have to write first one's I. This one should be 1. 1 mean this starting position should be 0. J table starting position 0 mean item type should be 0. Its price should be 1, position of 1. So we have to put it as 1, right. After that dot we have to convert them as a toString method, right. We have to convert them as a toString method. Finally we have to get the total. So by which text box you have to, your total should be displayed is subtotal text txt subtotal sub, right. This is a text box, right. So you have to write dot setx. You have to write setx. You have to convert them. So you have to write string dot value of you have to write here is sum, right. This is how you have to convert and get the total here, right. Perfect, right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Here we have to close it. You have to run here, run and check. Select this one, select this 3. Okay, here it's all should be calculated and display the subtotal here. Now what I am going to do is here we have to display the balance, payment and balance. We have to do here is we have to put one button here over here, right. When the person select, you have to write here is calculate. Right. You have to write cal, right. You have to put the right. Now here what I am select this one, event action perform. Simple you have to write here is we have to create int. We have to write int. We have to write first one should be the subtotal. So sub dot equal txt sub. This is the name of the text box. Get text. You have to get text. If you write like this, if you put int there will be the error. So what you are going to do is here you have to put as this one should be the integer. So integer you have to convert them as a integer dot parseInt. Here you have to write integer dot parseInt. You have to write like this. Right, perfect. After that we have to write another text box txt pay equal integer dot parseInt. Here we have to write txt pay dot get text. Right, perfect. After that we have to get the balance. So we have to, what I am going to int we have to write int bal. You have bal equal subtotal. We have to write subtotal minus pay. After that all the total should be display, balance should be displayed on this balance text box. So what I am going to do is here txt bal dot settext. You have to write pass this balance. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This how we have to calculate the balance, right? So what the error is, you have to convert them. So string dot value of, here we have to convert as a balance, right? Look like this. Perfect. This how we have to get the calculate the balance, right? Here what is the user type on this text box? It is passing this variable. What is the subtotal coming? This variable is passing subtotal variable. You have to here it should be calculated and put into bal variable. So it is display on this txt bal dot text box, right? This how it's calculated, right? Now let's check the final output, right? Okay, these are the product customer buy. Click, it's display the subtotal. If the customer pay the bill, pay the amount 1000, click cal. So here what's the the problem is here. The problem is here. What is the problem is you have to minus from the payment, pay and sub pay. Subtotal, that's the problem, right? Now let's execute again. Here, click here. Now here customer pay 1000, right? Click, right? It's working fine. Okay. I hope you guys you understood the system well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.